Embrace the outdoors with the Dometic inflatable tent range. To give you the confidence and ability to travel further and stay for longer, Dometic Pico includes features such as single point inflation, integrated mattress, weather shield technical cotton, quick pitch guidelines. The Pico includes a backpack style carry bag. Unzip the carry bag and begin by unfolding the tent. Secure the four corners. Each corner is highlighted by an orange webbing strap. Unzip the door opening to allow air to enter the tent during inflation. Locate the inflation point for the airframe of the tent. Using the hand pump supplied, begin to inflate to 10 psi. Once inflated, remove the pump and secure the top cover of the inflation point to ensure no pressure is lost. Next, locate the mattress inflation point positioned next to the tent inflation point. Insert the pump into the valve and inflate to a maximum of 2 psi. Be careful not to overinflate the mattress. Finally, secure the 4 quick pitch straps located on each corner of the tent. Once the tent has been unpegged, unscrew both inflation valves to deflate the airframe and the mattress. Next, fold the tent in half. Place any tent accessories onto the ground sheet. Begin to roll the tent towards the valves, allowing any additional trapped air to escape. Finish by rolling the tent into the carry bag. Zip closed and fasten the clips to compress the pack size further. With one of the quickest setups of any tent, start your outdoor adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.